Hello, this is Professor Del Russo, and what I want to show you now is my three-step process for setting up your course for painless grading at the end of the semester and whenever projects and assignments are due. Number one, design your assignments and discussion boards with due dates built in. I'll show you how to do that. First, I'll show you how to do it in a learning project. Learning projects are designed as assignments in the online course. You'll see this icon with a ruler, a pencil, and a piece of paper. That will tell you that's an assignment. Anyway, Learning Project 1, click on the chevron, select Edit. When it opens, you need to make your changes and update your assignment, and of course put the points. You need to put points. And down here where it says due dates, click on the due dates, put a date in by using the calendar, and then you have to select the time. I typically select 10 p.m. Once you do that, simply hit submit. Next, I'm going to show you how to edit and set up a discussion board for easy management and grading. Click on the chevron, select edit in any individual discussion forum that you set up. By scrolling down, you want to make sure that you have made this a graded forum. I put 2 points in for my discussion forum. If it is not graded and doesn't have a point allocated, it will not appear in the gradebook. Next, go to the second section here, forum availability. Click on yes on available. And what's most important is the display until date. This forum ends on October 31st at 10 p.m. So I made sure I put the date and time in there. You always have to put the time so that this forum expires then. Now you may say, well, that's not fair. Some student might be a little late. They might log on at 11 p.m. Well, that's too bad. Now to see that you're on the right track, select the Grade Center and click on the Full Grade Center. Now there are no students in this class, but we can see if we're on the right track by going on Manage and selecting Column Organization. And then we can see a graphic depiction of all of our assignments and discussion boards. You'll see that my learning projects are here on the left, and I haven't completed all the due dates, but I have some of them in there. Now they're out of order, so here's a place you can make them present better when you're in the gradebook. Just simply drag Learning Project 1 to the top. Now you have 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And I have to do 2 more dates. Now the discussion boards do not have due dates. Remember, they simply expire. So that's not reflected in the gradebook. At the end of the discussion board period, it simply closes and no one else can post. The learning projects are in the form of assignments, and they have due dates, and students can still submit things late. They will be flagged as late if you use this process, and you can grade them accordingly, knowing that they were late. The discussion boards require conversation and dialogue. So it is important to let the discussion board expire and let the students not get the points rather than have them pile on in the 11th hour. They'll learn quickly how to do the discussion boards if they miss 2 points here and 2 points there, if that's how you grade your discussion boards. Obviously, if you grade them higher, you might want to have a different policy than me. Okay, I want to show you one last time saver when it comes to grading stuff. Here's an assignment. This assignment is Learning Project 3, survey results, and then down here at the bottom I have a reaction paper. And we put due dates on them. We know from the ruler and the pencil and the paper, these are assignments. They need points and they need due dates. We did that already. What I want you to consider is, rather than have the students upload Word documents, which is the direction here, and I'm going to change it, I'm going to tell them to write it in Word, save that Word document for their records, then copy and paste it in the text box when they click on the Learning Project reaction paper assignment. Here's the text box they will see. It says assignment materials. They would click on here and then they would paste whatever they were pasting, their complete assignment. And the reason that I like to do that is because when you're grading 10, maybe 15, 20 students in an online course, Rather than have to go student by student and then open a Word document, read the Word document, make corrections on it, perhaps upload it to here in the comment upload file attachment area. I'd rather simply look on it when I click on the student's name and their submission, and boom, it appears right here. I don't have to download the document to my computer, take control over it, and deal with it in Word, and then go back in here and then reconnect with it within this Blackboard module. I simply want to open the student's submission and read it in here. If I want to make comments, I make them over here. Now, I know some professors prefer to work in Word. They have a review command where you can make embedded review comments and highlight areas that need attention. And that just takes longer, and it may be better for some professors. But this is a real time saver. Imagine 20 students, 20 links, 20 Word documents, 20 openings in Word, 20 submissions by selecting attach file. It's a lot of work when you simply can read it here, make your comments here, submit, move on to the next one. Now remember, all of the directions, as I understand it in the online program, tell the students to create those Word documents in Word 2003 to 2007 and upload them. I'm changing that this year, and I'm giving you the benefit of my workflow to try to make it easier. Again, it's totally up to you, whatever your style and however you like to interact with the students. So good luck. I hope this was helpful.